Welcome to this video. In this video I have got a free niche for you. I'm going to explain exactly how to use it and what I recommend, and I'm also going to introduce the keywords for it and a keyword tool that I'm using, which is really good. So firstly, on the keyword tool, if you're interested in using the same tool, I have put an offer in the description. It will take you through to this page and you can check out this video for an overview. You've probably seen the tool before. This is the thing. I will be showing you exactly how to use this tool for niche sites in 2022. If you're interested in that, do get the tool. There's my affiliate link on the page. If you get the tool through my affiliate link, there's a trial as well, I believe. I will give you a complete guide, a step-by-step video guide on exactly how to use it for niche sites, which will cover Amazon affiliate sites, ClickBank sites that are ranking via SEO, and AdSense sites as well, because all of them are very similar because they use keywords and so on. I'll be showing you how to do research for each one and how to get the most out of the tool and how to tell keyword difficulty, but more than that, also how to spy on your competitors, how to analyze the competition, and how to have all your keywords really and make sure basically before you start work it just gives you the added confidence because you know that you're going to rank on them, or you have a very good chance of ranking on them, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So do check it out. The page is below. You can check out this video overview, and then if you click the links, that's my affiliate link. To get the full guide, all you have to do is purchase the tool through the affiliate link and then just click on contact. That will send me a support ticket. Let me know that you purchased it in your email, and I will or your email receipt would be better, and I will send you the complete guide. It's only available through me because I made the videos, and it's a step-by-step guide, so you'll be able to conduct keyword research exactly the same way I am. I'm going to show you it now anyway, and I want to give you a niche, so here we go. Okay, so two ways that you can do this. If you're going for an authority site, this is a fantastic niche. It's the camping niche. And that doesn't just mean tents, that means backpacking tents, that means trekking poles, that means sleeping bags, that means camp bedding. All of this stuff, okay, is really good. If you want to go for something that is easier to rank, you're not going for an authority, what you can do, what I recommend is this, water filters. Really good. And also camping lighters as well. So there's lots of sub niches in it. I'm going to show you the water filter here. So you can see, even though this niche pays 3%, you can bump that up by having other affiliate programs on there as well as Amazon. You can also go for like camping, backpacking, tents, and go for a higher priced. But this is a really great niche in its own right because it will give you water filters for hiking, camping, travel and emergency, and you can target all of those key phrases as well. So water filter for hiking, water filter for traveling, camping, water filter for the desert, anything like that. Really great niche, and they sell really well. So that's a great niche. What I would do is go the authority route, but if you just want to go for a subset of the camping niche, that is a really great one. And what I wanted to do as well is just give you a few key phrases and introduce the tool. So the Mangools tool, the keyword finder, I'll just show you that as well. Okay, so I just wanted to, this is actually the tool in action. You can see here, camping water filter, and you can see the searches, and you can do it from the last 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, so it gives you a really good idea of all of the searches that are coming in and how they change. Keyword difficulty, really good tool. You can see here, you could, quite simply, if you just wanted something really simple, you could literally build an Amazon affiliate site and you could just go for possible and still easy keywords with good search volumes. There is a better way of doing it. I'm going to give you the complete guide. If you check out the tool through my affiliate link and you decide to get it, we will be going far more in detail of it, and we'll also be going into how to analyze the competition, because it's got another thing here called Site Profiler, and that allows you to get sites and actually see how they're put together, backlinks, and you can obviously see the best sites and you can see all of their content. I've picked one out, I'll show you it in just a second. The other thing that's really cool for the tool is you can see products that are selling really well, and you can also see other key phrases as well, and you can spot other niches coming in, and you can obviously export all of these. I've got the basic level. I don't think you'll need any more than that. It will give you 200 key phrases, and it gives you like 100 searches over a 24-hour period, which is great. And you get to see the trends and the monthly searches as well. So really there's a lot that you can do with it, and I'll be walking you through for a really, not to leave you in the dark here if you're watching on YouTube and you know you don't want to get the tool. Here's the sort of thing that I look for. You're looking for the search volume, and you're looking for the trends to make sure that you've got an evergreen, unless you're literally going for a seasonal niche. You're looking for an idea. With this one particularly, what I would do is build an authority site around it, so I'm not bothered about 2,400 searches as a rule, because I'm going to have other products on there and you've got other keywords as well. But I'm looking more to see whether I can rank, because then when you build the authority site and you've got a subsection on the site, I'll actually show you a site that I found using the tool, and you can see here this is a really good example of, and it is an authority site ranking, really good example of how to do it. And you can see here, and you can get all your ideas for, so when you're using the tool, I'll show you now. You can see here water filter and the reasons people buy, impressive flow rate here, how quick it is, gravity water filter, lightweight and affordable filter, backup water purification. So there's loads of products that you can target, and the other thing, it actually gives you really good other ideas. So I'll just show you this. Okay, so looking at this site, you can see down here, and I found this site using the keyword tool. You can of course find it off Google as well, typing in phrases and so on, but it's quite cool as well that you get all the results right here on the right side, and I can see who's ranking. In fact, here you can see that it's actually ranking here, and I can see all the information about it and so on. So it's really cool that that you can do that. And when you go to the site, you've got other niches here, so I would actually use this as an authority one, or target one of these that you like as an individual niche. So I was telling you water purification, which you could target, and water filters, but you've also got camping stoves here. And look, camping stoves 46,500, camping gas, portable gas stove, and then you've got the different phrases. Coleman camping stove 15,000, and still a good tent stove. Look at this, guys. Tent stove, just a different way of saying camping stove. 12,200 searches and only 20 in terms of keyword difficulty, which isn't a be all and end all score, but it does tell you that it's going to be so you could build a site right now, and best tent stoves, although it's not as well known a sort of key phrase, and it would rank fairly quickly in tent stoves. I recommend keeping it general and having the camping site really good niche, and you could take these and you got all of the, you know, loads of them there, really good niche areas that you can use for any site. A lot of work, but really great. And then using this tool, you can find they're really easy, like we've just done. We spotted a sort of tent stove is a really good key phrase, and there's other stuff that you want to do. Okay, so if you get this tool through my affiliate link, I will give you a complete guide step by step, and we go in depth about how to search by domain, and we go in depth on how to use the site profiler. I'll just give you an example. Using the site profiler tool, I can actually look up individual pages of any site, and I can see the domain authority, and it will tell you a ranking by Moz that predicts how well a domain will rank. It's calculated by evaluating linking root domains, number of total links, Moz rank, Moz trust. So you can see their page authority and so on. So you can see the sort of level of competition. And this is a really good, if you're not going to get the tool, one thing that you can do with this particular tool is any review site that you see, or Amazon affiliate or ClickBank site that you're looking to emulate or looking to see whether you can rank, you can run in the ones on the top 2 pages of Google, and you can see the level of authority that they've got based on this tool, and the backlinks that they've got, and how many backlinks they've got, and how many they've lost, and how it's doing over time, and you can gauge it based on competition level. So I'll show you how to do all this stuff. Really great tool. There are more advanced tools out there like Moz and but this is really great for niche sites and will give you most of what you need. So it gets my full recommendation. Do use that niche as well. Really great niche, and you've got lots of sub niches. Again, you could pick any of them as a sub niche and just check it on the tool, make sure there's searches. And a little tip for you, if you're not going to get the full guide, get those, like how we look. Camping stoves is one phrase with competition, and tent stoves has all those searches with very little competition, so you can get that's how you do it, and that's how you get the edge. So you can go niche down into water filters and find all those phrases and build a few niche sites and link them all together, not like a private blog network, because you'll have real content on there, solid content, or recommended like an authority site, and have it all set up, and it will do really well for you and give you a really good way of ranking. So do check out the tool. I've set up the page below. You can get through there through the link below. If you purchase through my affiliate link, which is there, you will get your complete guide. I'll walk you through exactly how to use that tool for niche sites, Amazon sites, ClickBank sites, and AdSense sites as well, and go far more in depth as well. And any questions, let me know. Just click the contact, send us through an email and let me know. Just send us your email receipt or the number or whatever, and I'll get that to you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Use that niche. It's really good niche, guys, and I'll speak to you very soon. Cheers for watching.